Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Pre-market preparations, Wednesday, October 25, 2023. Another day, another opportunity. Each and every day we have new opportunities in the market. Who's with me? Say hi, don't be shy. Hi Aviad, hi Adi. Thank you very much for joining this live. Let's go over very quick on the futures. Then we will do a quick recap on SPY, Qs, Microsoft of course, Google, Meta and Amazon. We have a very interesting week still ahead of us. It will be the most volatile week, in my opinion, until the end of 2023. Hi Oriya, thank you very much for joining, taking some time off. We have here the futures, US 500 2 hours chart. We can see the 42.42. If you remember yesterday, we talked about this area, very tough resistance. Once again, very tough resistance. We are waiting for a break above it. And then we will take long towards the 42.56, 42.74. Breaking below the 42.31. We will see 42.23. But to take short, premium members, we are waiting for a break below the 42.23, and then we will see 41.91 to the downside. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes time frame. Futures 50 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. We have swing low, swing high, 42.41 to the upside, 42.37 to the downside. Let's see, can we break above the 42.41, and then we will see 42.45. Hi Ziv, hi Oren, hi Asaf. Thank you very much for joining. Let's go over. We have here SPY 65 minutes. Very tough resistance. Major support, basically moving sideways. We need to wait and see. Long continuation on the SPY above 425. Short below this red line, the 420 area. Very important area of support. So if you try to trade inside this tight price range, you will get chopped. So be careful. Long above, short below. This is why we have trend lines, Fibonacci levels to show us where price might be heading next. This is how it looks on the 15 minute SPY. As you can see, 424.70, all this area, very tough resistance. This area, very important area of support. We can start taking short below. Now, pre-market, it's already below the 423. Gap to the upside. Let's see if this gap will get filled in the first hour or so. And then we will start taking short below 423.36. We have all the levels to the downside. Long above 424 towards 425 to the upside. We can take also Fibonacci from here to be a little bit more accurate. And now we have all the levels that we need. We can do it also from here. It's just an area of support and resistance for future price action. Now let's go over real quick recap. SPY and friends on daily chart. Downtrend until proven otherwise. 424.24 is the resistance. 420.50, 420.30, sorry. 50 or 30, 50. Support breaking below, and we will see 415 together with this red trend line. Long continuation. It's not long, but it's more like a bounce because overall we are in bearish land. Let's see bounce continuation above 424.30. Maybe towards this red line to the upside. QQQ 360 resistance, not surprising, very important area of support, resistance, once again resistance. 356 needs to hold, otherwise 351, and then this red trend line to the downside. Dow Jones, another day, another doji. 331. And all this area, the 328, 331, very important area of support. Breaking below this area, we will see 324 and 320 to the downside. IWM trying to get back inside this channel, but it's still downtrend channel. Now this area, the 168, very tough resistance. Continuation sliding down, and we will see eventually 156 gap will get filled. Bitcoin, continuation of the bullish sentiment. Next resistance is yesterday's highs at the 35,230 and then 37,252. Now this area, the 32,900, is the support. We can take Fibonacci. No need to guess. We can take Fibonacci to the upside. And here you have everything that you need. 37 to the upside. Now this area, the 33, 34 is the support. Ethereum, same thing. You know these trend lines, and we are still inside downtrend until proven otherwise. This downtrend started April of 2023. Each and every time, as you can see, price got rejected by this trend line. Can we get a break above it? Above this area, the 1860, we will see 1956 and then 21. KRE, let's see why I had this alert crossing below 42.37. As you can see, tough resistance 42.42. Rejected price once again, so be careful. Long only above this area. KRE downtrend until proven otherwise. CL1 crude oil futures back in this red zone. Bulls needs to defend this zone. Otherwise, we will see 72, 77 to the downside. And G1 natural gas futures bouncing above, bouncing off this 286. Now the 3 is once again resistance. You know all these lines, you know all these levels, you know all these trend lines because we drew them few weeks back. Now let's see continuation above 3, where price might be heading next. First, it will close this gap at the 320, breaking below the 286. This trend line will need to act once again as support because it was a support for the higher lows since April of 2023, breaking below, and we will see 266 gap getting filled. Tesla, another day, another doji, 211, very important area of support, breaking to the downside, and we will see 192. Now look at the Tesla on the weekly. No need Fibonacci, no need nothing. What do you see? Double top scenario. We have uptrend, retracement, bounce, same area, multi-top resistance, breaking to the downside, breaking below this neckline. Next will be the 207. Below it, we will see this area over here. Don't be surprised if we will see 174 and 164 on Tesla before the end of 2023. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of view of price action. You can take Fibonacci that will give you the next support and resistance for price action. Netflix, I want to see another day closing above the 410 and then 426 to the upside. Apple, until proven otherwise, Apple is inside a downtrend channel. 170 needs to hold. This gap at the 167, in my opinion, needs to get filled, and the sooner the better. And if it can get filled before earnings, Thursday, November, in 1 week exactly, next Thursday after the bell, it will be much better for bulls. Nvidia trying to get away from this red zone. Below this red zone, we will see 372. Amazon with a double bottom scenario. Amazon tomorrow after the bell. Earnings coming up. What do you think? How Amazon will act after tomorrow's earnings. Gap up, gap down. Let me know. Meta today after the bell. Very interesting to see if Meta can hold inside this red channel. Breaking below, no need to guess. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and we will see 294, 285, and then 274. Good reaction. And most probably, we will get this channel breaking to the upside towards the 371. Google, pre-market at the 130. This area, 130, is a Fibonacci area. Below it, 127, a weekly close below 127, and this gap at the 123 will get filled. Microsoft, gap up, 344 now, needs to hold the support. Otherwise, we will see 337 and closing today's earnings gap to the downside. Holding above it, weekly close above the 344, and next week we will see 355. AMD, nothing much. As long as price is sliding down this red trend line, the way is south. Don't be hero. Don't try to predict where the bottom is, because you will get eaten. Below this red line, and we are heading towards the 94. Shopify, still inside this red zone. Short, below, long, above, one gap to the downside, two gaps to the upside. For now, nothing much on Shopify, but very interesting to see where Shopify will take us. Once again, here we have futures breaking down. 42.31 needs to hold. Below it, we will start taking our short position in the premium room. If you want to join the premium room, where we change ideas, help each other to become better traders each and every day. As you can see, we have premium room for day trading, swing trading, Q&A. We have exclusive requests, basically the same one, but this is more for swing trading. We have swing ideas. We have the premium course zone. We have educational materials. We have all the news in one place. So, join us. All the links in the description below. What else do we have? Adi, Roblox. Interesting. Yesterday closed above the 32. Now we need this 32 area need to hold a support. Holding a support, and we can start taking our long position using Fibonacci and ATR. Why don't I have ATR over here? ATR as our risk management going towards the 37 gap. Hi Ziv, hi Sagi, Asaf, Aviv. Can you look at gold? Gold the stock or gold the commodity? Gold the stock. This is gold. What do we have here? 1977, very tough resistance. Long continuation above it towards the 2020. Let's check GC1. Gold futures. Same thing. You can take Fibonacci. Fibonacci is the ultimate tool to give you support, resistance for future price action. As long as 1981 is holding, good to go towards the 2026. Above it, all this area, the 2060 and 2084. Do you think NG1 will close the gap? We talked about it. Hi Kozali, hi Rafael, hi Ofer, Ronen, Roy. Thank you very much for joining. Makes me very happy to see every day more and more of you participating, joining, giving me trading ideas. CVNA downtrend until proven otherwise. We don't need even Fibonacci. We have trend lines to show us the way. Earnings coming up Thursday in exactly 7 days. So as long as CVNA is inside this channel, we are going south. Zoom. Long time since anyone asked Zoom. Pre-market. What do you see on Zoom? If you want to go short, below 60, below this area, no long as I see it now. Only short. Hi Kozali, WRB long, MMM long, Snap long, IMO for Rafael. Kozali, thank you very much for this. I appreciate your super chat. Thank you very much. First super chat for Fibonacci Traders live. Thank you very much. Let's see. WRB. I don't know how to pop it up so everyone can see. Let me just 1 second. I don't know. It's not working. Anyway, Kozali, thank you very much. I need to know how to be a YouTuber. I don't know how to be a YouTuber. This is my problem. I'm not a YouTuber. Hi, Leah. Anyway, WRB, what do we see? Let's clean the chart. Trend lines. We drew these trend lines way back. We have yesterday open gap to the upside. Yesterday or Monday? Yesterday. Open gap. This gap needs to get filled, but we are still in an uptrend channel with a doji, and we all know that doji represents, here we are, a doji represents a trend reversal. So be careful if you're already long on our WRB. This is not the time. Only a break above it, or first wait for this gap to get filled and then look for a bounce. Same as they did here, same as they did here. Triple M. What's going on with Triple M? Yesterday, open gap and a very nice, what we can see, double bottom scenario. Long continuation above 90.66. Use ATR if you don't know how to use ATR. Check Fibonacci Academy playlist. 25 videos. One of those videos is how to use ATR to help you manage your risk. Because in the end of the day, we are not traders. We are not day traders. We are not swing traders. Our job is only one. Risk managers. And here you have, even if you will get some kind of a bounce, be careful from this yellow trend line. What else? Snap. I will check it. Kozali, I have a good friend who is a good YouTuber. I will ask him after this live how to pop all this, how to be a YouTuber. I need to learn. Anyway, I can do like this. Here you have it. Thank you very much, Kozali, for the first super chat. I appreciate it very, very much. Once again, thank you very much. Tomorrow I will add balloons. Hi, Leah. Thank you very much for joining. Let's check Snap. Snap had earnings. Not much of a movement. I think more of long, in my opinion, above 10.10, short below 9.40. Long above here, short below here, and of course, it's only my opinion. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow anyone blindly to tell you what to do, what to buy, where to sell. MIO for Rafael. Let's check once again. And we had an uptrend. Retraced 618. Look how Fibonacci helps us to identify next support and resistance for price action. Look here. We talked about the 42.31 touched bounce. This is the magic. Well, it's not magic. For me, it's magic of Fibonacci. If you want to learn how to use Fibonacci, a real strategy that works with highest probability that I know, and really gives you the next support and resistance for price action, and of course together with understanding multi-time frames, price action on multi-time frames. Check the links in the description below. We have the one-on-one live mentorship program. We have also the same program pre-recorded. So check the links in the description below. We have very nice discounts. Both programs available in English, Hebrew. Both programs will gain you lifetime access for support, guidance, and all Discord channels. What do we have on IMO? What do we see? First, we see an uptrend channel, but it's not the time to go long. Let's see a bounce of this area, the 56.60, bounce to the upside, and then we can start taking our long. If you're already long, it's time to manage your risk much more carefully, because breaking below this area, below the 56.50, and this is going down. We have a multi-top scenario over here. This will go down towards the 53 and then 51 to the downside. Any other questions? Any other requests? Don't forget, today after the close, Meta is coming up. Boeing already going up almost 3% to the upside after beating earnings, but Boeing still in a downtrend. We need at least a weekly close above this downtrend, and even then I want to see a weekly close above 190.50. Then we will start taking maybe slowly long position on BA, but for now it looks like more downtrend continuation, short continuation until proven otherwise. So I hope you found this video live helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget, every day 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time we are going live. Every day 12 a.m. Eastern Time I post stock market daily recap. So thank you very much for joining. Until the next video, until the next live, trade safe, and most importantly, please keep safe.